Today what we're going to talk about is this. This is the Glock 19 with a Nightstick weapon light holster. Stick around. Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to Three River Kydex. So what I'm doing today is this is a custom build. This gun is clear, safe, and empty. It is a Glock 19 Gen 4. Nightstick weapon light is really what we're talking about right here. This Nightstick weapon light is very similar to the Streamlight. I think 8 or 7, 7A, something like that. It's very similar to it. It just has these little toggles right there, that little toggles that will turn the light on, and of course you take off the front bezel and then that'll allow you to replace the battery. Batteries, I think it is 1, 2, 3 batteries. So very, very similar to the Streamlight. Now Nightstick, this one right here, you can get them on Amazon. I'll put a link down below. There's not a lot of holsters for them. A lot of people say they will fit the Streamlight 7, 7A, but I haven't seen that. I have both. I have this light and the Streamlight, and it still didn't fit. So I have to go ahead and make my own. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you the video, but I just want to give you a close-up of what that looks like. This is an inside the waistband holster in Coyote. Alright, it also does have a tensioner right here. This is just a Phobie clip. It does have a sweat guard, and again, really nice, well done. Okay, so I worked on this for a couple hours and I'm going to roll that video very, very shortly. Alright, you decide what tensioner you like, how much tension you want on it. Alright, fits in, really nice and snug. Doesn't fall out. You can tighten the tensioner if you like. Alright, this is a custom build. If you are interested in this one right here, you will have to email me for this type of custom build. Again, I don't make Nightstick products very often, but again, this was somebody that requested it. What I need you guys to do is to like, subscribe, share, put all the links down below of all my other channels. Go to Amazon for my affiliate links, become a Patreon member. You will watch videos like this as soon as they come out, as opposed to waiting. So what I'm going to do, guys, is I'm going to roll it. I'm going to roll this video right now, and I'll talk to you in a little bit. guys, that's pretty much it. All right, thank you very much for watching. I appreciate it. I appreciate all the support that I get from you guys. This is a really nice setup, I think, in my opinion, as streamlined as I can actually make it. All right, Glock 19 and the Nightstick light. You can see the Nightstick light. All right, so what I need you guys to do for me is to please like, subscribe, share, and some comments down below. Go to Three River Blades, Three River Kydex, or Three River Survival. All the links are going to be down below, and I really appreciate it. As always, guys, please stay safe.